Dr. Henry here at my Long Island location. I'm here with Devin and Chloe, who is now just shy of 8 weeks. And Devin brought her by here 2 weeks ago when she was 6 weeks. And Devin, I'll let you say how she was doing and how she did after her first adjustment with me.
Of course, now she's getting antsy.
Uh-huh.
So before coming here, she would every night, like clockwork, 8 o'clock, be screaming her head off, no matter what I did, for anywhere from 1 to 4 hours. And I know some of it was gas related, but a lot of it was just I did not know what to do. I tried feeding her, walking with her, everything. But then after coming and seeing Dr. Henry, it was instant relief. And you know, we've had maybe 1, maximum 2, like not fun nights since then, but nothing as bad as it had been. So she's been doing so much better and improving constantly.
Fantastic. Thanks, Devin. Thanks, Chloe.